Hey guys, today is March the 1st. Yay, we finally made it. We made it through February. Today is a great day. Just want to let you know I'm going to do some technical analysis on the euro. And I just want to let you know, please consult a financial professional advisor. I'm just a guy that looks at charts, angles, and weird stuff, and just kind of like let you know what I see in the charts, and you take it from there. So with that being said, I just created a square of price and time with the high of the euro, which was on the February the 1st. So I just want to kind of like show you what I did. I took the low and went all the way to the, because I've been taking them by stages, because I've been squaring at different levels of impulses. So the first one I did was here, which was the 8.3 or 8.6, and then the next one was the 9.14 high. So when you hear those names, those dates, it's because I'm taking them from like those impulses where then things kind of change, and now we got this other impulse from here, and I pivot my stuff from this, and I square it out for time and price. So this is like my 4 by 1, 3 by 1, 2 by 1 by 1. This is my 2 by 1, 3 by 1, and 4 by 1. And then it's squared out. So this is the 50% in time. This is the 75, the blue. This is the 25% in time. And this is the 100, which ends on the 27th. So this is my price and time grid, and then these are my angles, and then the strongest angle right here will be this 1 by 1, and that's why it crosses between the 50 in time and the 50 in height on price. So right now we're finding support at this 3 by 1, and it could probably dance around here and go up, or it could just probably crack and find support at the 200 over here, which is at 28.31. Find support at the 50% level, and maybe just bounce and just continue this trend, or keep going all the way down and maybe find support at this 1 by 1. But we shall see. But as of right now, this is where it's at. It's dancing on this level. It's trying to stay above it, which is 20, what, actually 300, 3,000. So right now it's just dancing around there, trying to survive. You got the 100 right here, the 50, the 20, and the 200. So the 20s always yellow, 50s are blue, 100 has the dashes, and the green is always the 200. So I just want to show you that in regards to time and price. And I just want to get to, let's glance this chart. This is kind of under indicators that I use, and I want to start showing it to you. My cloud, Ichimoku, is already showing you that the forecasting in the future on the euro is looking bearish. As this cloud grows and darker, the uglier it gets. The Chiku price caught up to the Chiku caught up to the price on the euro, and it cracked. You see how it just cracked? Because it could have bounced and kept going up. I've seen that happens. But when it digs in deep, it gets ugly. And that's where you got all this stuff right here. So right now, at the 3,000, it's below the cloud, very bearish, if you ask me. There's a Woody's pivot support here on the weekly. You got the linear regression line here as support, and then you got the 50% level, Fibonacci level support at that 28.76. If there's any other support, you got the 200 down here. So you pretty much got you crack X1. This is S2 Woody's weekly, and then this is S3 Woody's weekly. I like Woody's because it's very. I just noticed that price respects Woody's pivots compared to the other ones that I've used. And then this is the monthly, the square. So it cracked PP, PPS, and look at it right here. This is the next monthly support right here at that 27.10. It could go all the way down here, but I'm just showing you levels. And then you got the 61.8, and then you got the linear regression line. If it gets all the way down here, this would be a really good buy, especially down here. But we'll see. This is the 50 linear regression line. This is the medium line right here. So it failed that. And then you got the big one, which is the 100 all the way up here. So these are like linear regressions channels. They always change with my chart on the time frame. So you see how it is right here. And then this is a shorter time frame linear regression line. So you got the purple one up here, and you got the purple one over here. And it's already cracked that. It's already at 3,000, somewhere around here. You got support here on the weekly 50, which I honestly believe is probably going to get down there, which is like that 28.95. You cracked all the Ichimoku averages right here, and you're below the 20, you're below the 100, and you're below the 200. So the next support will be this 50, and you're in the cloud, and you got this other support right here on the cloud on the Ichimoku, which is 28.75. But we'll see. Below the 61.8, you got the 50 over here, and then this is a 78.6 Fibonacci level. So we'll see what's going to happen here. But this is what I wanted to show you. And then on the monthly, you're pretty much, oof. On the monthly, you got, the Tenkin right here at the 28.75. This thing could go all the way down here and find support. They always say in Ichimoku that price is always attracted to the Tenkin, and sometimes the Cajun. Cajun's all the way up here, so it could go all the way down here and then go back up here, or we'll see. But it's definitely immobile, so it's definitely chopped. You fail the 20 and the 50, and you got this linear regression line here, and you got the 61.8, which is that 26.11. Can it go all the way down here? I don't know. This is a monthly chart, so this is big picture. So I just wanted to show you that, and let's look at the big picture. Where I put this big picture right here. I changed some indicators because I noticed on my 12-hour and my daily, I wasn't getting good signals on the market forecast. I might change it on the weekly and the monthly, but as of now, I swapped it for the Swami Predict Thermo and the Swami Intraday Impulse. It kind of keeps me more in trend, and it shows me, when it's chopped and when it's not, and when it's trending. So let's get into it. I still have it over here, and I'm still debating to switch it to something else. It's just that I needed something for short term to help me. Monthly, red candle, failed the 50, the 100, the 50 Fibonacci. You probably might go to 2609, which is a 61.8. This is the monthly, mind you. And you're somewhere around right here. Red candle, Renki, negative. Tima says sell. Mobo still positive, but MACD is going lower on the green. Is a lighter green shade. Once it cracks, it gets red. CCI, they're embedded below the zero line, looking like they're going to zoom mode. Market forecast says sell. Fisher is building up arrows, but not the purple and the green yet. So it's there, but not looking good. MMG, you already cracked the 50, and TTM squeeze positive. You got two brown bars on the short wave. Hasn't cracked the zero line, so it's just not looking good on the monthly. Like the trend is getting some damage. On the weekly, you got three red weak candles, and you got the PPS sell signal. Tima says sell. Mobo red. Look at the MACD now red. CCI looks like it wants to snap back up to catch up to the 5 and the 20, but not looking good. Fisher, purple, one of my favorite, saying sell. So if you would have gone here once you saw that signal, you would have been pretty good. MMG, cracked, blue bars, short wave below zero line. Daily, you got support over here somewhere at the 356 simple moving average, failing the 100. You cracked the 50 and the 20 and the 500. So you're over here kind of hanging around at this 61.8, 3046, but you're definitely below it. You got a Fisher sell signal on the daily, so you got a cluster, and red, you got a fake team thermo. Swami predicts says to stay in the trend because it's bearish. Same as the 12-hour. And look, the 12-hour, the low is a 29.85, and you got support over here at that 29.20 for support. And you've been struggling with this 200, and you're below the 20 and the 50. So very bearish. Tima kind of had a pop. See? Look at the snapbacks, letting you know that these are head fakes. Right here. Snapback, snapback. Back to the trend. And if you didn't have this and you looked at, Fisher, and you saw this all yellow and you get this just yellow right here, you're probably like, oh, we're going long. But you've been failing the 200, and the 50 CCI and the 20 CCI is embedded in zoom mode, so this indicator lets me know it's all head fakes. And look, you're building up arrows to go on the downside. So just want to give you my thoughts. Not looking good for the euro. We will see what next week holds. Hopefully, I'll be doing some cycle analysis and looking where could support be for the month of March. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll keep you posted on my ideas and my thoughts on the euro. Peace.